Customizing your first AdSense ads. Hello there, everyone. Once Google activates your AdSense account, ads will start to appear on your site. Yet, you have to be aware that these ads are automatically placed by Google crawlers, which determines the optimal placements and style of your ads according to how well they scanned your AdSense site. That is why it is important for you to learn how to customize your AdSense ads, as well as how to generate ad code that you can place in specific placements, all according to your site's design and overall structure. In this video, we are going to teach you how to easily customize ads from your AdSense account, and how to generate the code that you will later be able to insert on your site to serve ads there. You'll have to start on your AdSense account's homepage, and from there, click on the My Ads tab located on the left-hand menu. First off, we recommend you to check the Ad Styles section by clicking on the Ad Styles submenu tab. In this section, you will be able to see the type of ad styles available from a sample selection. Most styles in the sample selection will fit basically any type of site, so we recommend you to get familiar with them and to compare them against your site style. As a general rule, you should not pick styles that are way too similar to your site style, or that use the exact same color scheme that you use on your site. Following this simple rule will help you to avoid violating AdSense policy as well as banner blindness. Our recommendation is to pick styles that contrast with your site's color scheme. This will help you to get more eyeballs to ads being served on your pages, and it will also help you to clearly separate ads from your content. You can modify these sample styles. To modify a sample style, you simply have to hover over the style that you would like to modify and then to click on Copy and Edit. An Edit Ad Style pop-up will appear, from where you will be able to modify the style's color combination on border, titles or links, background, text, URL, and to select font family. Once you have modified a style to your liking, you have to name the new style and then to click on Save Ad Style. You can also create styles from scratch by clicking on the New Ad Style button and editing the style elements from scratch, naming the new style, and clicking on Save Ad Style. Lastly, you can select the default font family used on ads across your account. The font family is set as optimal by default, but you can select a different one if you wish. Let's now show you how to customize an AdSense ad the easy way. Start by clicking on the Content submenu tab located under My Ads, and then on the Ad Units option to go to the Ad Units section, from where you will be able to customize new ad units to place on your sites. To start customizing a new ad unit, you'll simply have to click on the New Ad Unit button. There are three types of ads that you can create and customize: text and display ads, which are the simplest types of ads that you can place on your site; in-feed ads, which are ads that flow within your site's feeds; and in-article ads, which are ads that fit in between paragraphs. Okay, so let's start by customizing a text and display ad by clicking on the Select button corresponding to the Text and Display Ads column. First, you'll have to name your new ad in the Name field. Now you have to select the ad size. There are several ad sizes and shapes available, and the one you choose will greatly depend on where you plan to place it inside your page. These sizes and shapes include horizontal banners, vertical banners, rectangular, and responsive. You can also select custom size to enter your own size, or you can select link ads if you want to only show moderately sized linked text ads. In our case, we are going to select responsive because it will allow us to insert an ad that adjusts its size automatically according to the page's configuration. Alright, so after selecting the ad size, you have to select the ad type. Here you can select between these types of ads: text and display ads only, and text ads only. In our case, we are going to select text and display ads to maximize revenue. Now, in text ad style, you have to select the color scheme of your text ads. There are several variations available. You can select one and then click on Copy and Edit to customize it to your liking. In our case, we are simply going to select the minimalist variation, which will make text ads to stand out nicely on our site. Lastly, you will be able to create a custom channel to track this ad and to select what happens if no ads are available. This option will allow you to decide what to show if no ads are available to serve on your selected placement when a visitor is on your page. By default, this option is set as collapse the ad unit, otherwise show blank space, which means that nothing but blank space will show where the ad unit is placed. Other options include to collapse the ad unit, otherwise show color. So you can select the color to fill the ad unit space, and to show other URL, so you can place a URL in the ad unit space. In our case, we will simply select to collapse the ad unit, otherwise show blank space. Once you are done customizing your new text and display ad, you'll simply have to click on the Save and Get Code button. Your new ad's code will be generated, and you can copy it to manually paste it on your site. Let's now click on the New Ad Unit button, so we can show you how to customize an in-feed ad. Start by clicking on the Select button corresponding to the in-feed ads column. Now there are two ways to customize in-feed ads. You can either select to let Google suggest a style, or select to create ad style manually. If you elect to create ad style manually, you have to start by selecting a template and style that matches the feeds in your site. The styles available include image above, image on the side, title above, and text only. Once you have selected your in-feed ad style, you have to click on Next to customize it. Global customizations include fonts, background color, borders, and padding. Specific customizations include image alignment and size, headline, length and style, description styles, URL styles, and color of font and border on buttons. Once you are finished manually customizing your in-feed ad, you will simply have to click on Save and Get Code. Now, we recommend you to select the Let Google Suggest a Style option because it is the easiest and most time-effective way of customizing an in-feed ad. You will simply have to enter your site's address in the URL field. Select whether to scan the desktop or mobile version of your site, and then to click on Scan the Page. Google will scan your site or page for feeds, and will suggest the optimal in-feed ad placement. You can check the in-feed ad preview, and then you can click on Next to continue to the next step. Again, you will be asked to customize your new in-feed ad by taking care of global customizations, including fonts, background colors, and borders, as well as specific customizations including image alignment and size, headline length and style, description styles, URL styles, and color of font and border on buttons. Once you are done customizing your new in-feed ad, you will simply have to name your ad in the Ad Unit Name field, and then to click on Save and Get Code. Your new in-feed ad code will be generated, and you will be able to copy it and paste it in between the HTML code of your content feed. Once you are finished for good here, simply click on I'm done. Awesome. Let's now show you how to customize the last type of ad unit available, in-article ads. You have to start by clicking on the New Ad Unit button, and then on the Select button corresponding to the in-article ads column. As you can see here, in-article ads are simple to customize, as you will only be required to select font style, title style, description style, and background color. If you want to make customization easier still, you can simply leave the Google Optimized Styles option selected to allow Google to optimize colors and styles on your ads. Once you are done customizing an in-article ad, you will simply have to name it in the Ad Unit Name field and then to click on the Save and Get Code button. Your new ad unit code will be generated, and you can copy and paste it in the code of pages with written content. Now you'll simply have to click on the I'm Done button. And that is it. As you can see, customizing your AdSense ads can be a cakewalk if you follow these steps. Next up, we will be showing you how to insert your ad codes on your site manually, so make sure to tune in.